Happy evening, all of you. I am Professor Anand Kumar Das. Now I have taken the under the basic concept related to commerce and management, the part two. Okay, the topic is very simple: profit, profitability, and profitring. There may be some different pronunciation for that profitring. It might possible in UK and US pronunciation, but it's Indian pronunciation profitring. Okay, profitability and profit. This is part two under commerce and management basic concepts. Okay, profit, as I have already explained, watch that video. That is part one video. Profit in a layman term. Again, I will repeat in the very simple term. Okay, that is gross profit GP equivalent to earnings before depreciation, interest, tax, and amortization. Okay, that is profit. And profit has been divided into three parts: gross profit, operating profit, net profit. I have already explained in my previous video, so watch that video compulsory. Very simple. Operating profit, that is GP minus depreciation. Okay, and comes net profit, that is operating profit minus interest plus tax plus amortization. For complete concept, please watch that video, previous video part 1. Now, profitability. This is very important part. This is related to investment and return. Clear? Investment and return. When people invest, as we know very well, when people invest, there are three types of risk involved in this. Okay? What are the risk? Risk at zero, risk at par, and risk at premium. We know very well this part. Let us understand what is risk at zero. Means there are no risk. Okay, risk at par, equal risk, and risk at premium means above the par part. So risk at zero means any RD, recurring deposits, FD, savings account, है ना, with bank, post office, or PPF account. These are risk at zero. You don't have any risk. You are getting annual return which vary from 3% to 8% maximum in bank, post office, and other part actually. So there are no risk at all. Your money is completely safe. That is the investment beauty part of investment. And I think more than 80% people involved in this risk at zero because they don't want to take the risk. Risk at par. What is risk at par? If you are dealing with bond, debentures, okay, debentures in USA we call it debentures, in India it is called bond. We are getting fixed rate of interest just like the fixed deposit. It may vary from 12% to 18% also at the same time. So risk at par. Sometimes risks are there. If company is not performing well, it might possible that they will not be able to return that particular amount. They may reduce that amount also. It might possible. But once they have promised they will pay, they will pay definitely. Very simple. And risk at premium is nothing. It's if you are investing in any equity share, okay, equity shares and mutual funds. Basically, these two are basically risk at premium where there are no fixed return, no commitment. If you are investing in any company, so equity shares and mutual funds are subject to market risk. You might have watched on television also. They are giving the advertisement related to this. So please read that document carefully. They are telling you very frankly nowadays. Sachin Tendulkar is also doing the advertisement for mutual funds. You might have observed on television. So these are the investment part, and when you are investing anywhere, your money part, that is hardcore money for you, or white money or black money, whatever it is, that is risk at zero. These are the three examples: risk at par and risk at premium. Okay. Now return in terms of three types of returns are there. Actually, a return on investment. Whatever you have invested, definitely you are looking from that part. That is called ROI, return on investment. You have invested on equity, so return on equity, very simple. Okay. And return on assets. You have invested on assets, so return on assets. These are the three concepts related to return. What exactly return you are looking for or you are expecting? It's up to you where you have invested and what type of return you are expecting. So for on behalf of joint stock company, that is public limited and private limited company, they are expecting all the three returns. If they have invested in capital in that particular business, so they are expecting from that capital invested, you know, these three returns should come in terms of return on investment, return on equity, return on assets. So these are very simple concept related to profitability. Profit ring. This is cost and expense. Profit ring means always getting profit at the cost and expense of others. Means any profit by any illegal means. Okay? Any illegal, unfair, undue, that is profit ring. And when it happens in four situations. When there is earthquake situation, when there is flood situation, when there is famine situation, when there is drought situation, and when there is war situation, or any pandemic, and you can say pandemic and endemic situation. At that time, whenever there are any such situation, when any country is passing through, or any state is passing through, or any district is passing through war, earthquake situation, flood situation, famine situation, drought situation, pandemic, endemic, means complete disaster. This is nothing, it's a simple disaster. And at that time, there are certain people, you might have seen during COVID also for last 2 years, how the people were raising the prices by hoarding the materials, whether it's a raw material, semi-finished goods, finished products, okay? How they were raising the prices of water, distillery water, milk, sweets, all essential items. Profiting is nothing very simple. If you are raising the prices of the essential items, which is very essential for the public, common people, during this situation, that is nothing, this is called profiteering. That is also illegal, unfair, undue advantage. Very simple. That is called profiting. That is cost and expense of others. In Hindi we call it firing, putting your gun on the soldiers of others. Very simple. This is nothing, very simple. During this situation, if you are taking undue advantage from the public, common public, people of the country, through illegal, unfair, and undue advantage, by raising prices, by hoarding the goods, services, raw material, in terms of goods or services, everything is illegal, unfair, and undue advantage. That is profit. Profitability, again I will repeat, relation between investment and return. And investment means risk at zero, risk at par, risk at premium. And I have already explained, risk at zero means if you are investing money in recurring deposits, fixed deposits, savings accounts of any bank, post office, or other investment part, PPF account also, that is also risk at zero. Risk at par, that is bond and debentures. If you are investing in any company, bond and debentures, they are giving you 12% to 18% return. Okay. Risk at par. Risk at premium, equity shares, mutual funds subject to market risk, that is actually known as risk at premium. Nothing else. A return means return on investment, return on equity, and return on assets. These are the three returns company is expecting actually if they have invested on that. And this is all about profit, and there are three types of profit. Always in terms of company I am talking about, okay? Gross profit, earnings before depreciation, interest, tax, and amortization. For these three profits was that part 1 video under basic concepts. Operating profit, gross profit minus depreciation, and net profit, operating profit minus interest, tax plus amortization. So if you think my logic is correct, don't forget to subscribe my channel and share, like to everyone. Very simple. Forward this to everyone, your all family, friends, relatives, so that they will have also clear-cut concept on this knowledge, information, exposure equal to learning. Okay, and don't forget to give feedback in terms of compliments and comments, so that I must know through your dislike or like whether I am the right path or wrong path. Okay. So thank you so much. May God bless you. The happy way.